What's up, greens and cornbread family? Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be making Philly cheesesteaks. Oh my god, I love Philly cheesesteaks. So first I'm going to start off with chopping up some bell pepper and some onion, and then we're going to saute it in a skillet. So let's get into the video. But before we get into it, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we post videos, and go ahead and hit that subscription button. Alright, now that we finished chopping up our veggies, we're going to saute them in a skillet until they become translucent and, soft like. So I know everybody will be like, use a ribeye. Well, steakums taste good anyway, and it's more budget friendly. So today we're gonna be using steakums. Alrighty, so right here I am buttering my pan because now it's time to butter my buns. Get it? My buns. So right here I am assembling the Philly cheesesteak with some American cheese and the onions and bell peppers that I cooked, and we're about to get ready to put them on the buns. Oh, they already smelling so good. I know you guys are like, what is the oil and the fries are for? Well, I'm going to make Philly cheesesteak loaded fries. And they're going to be so freaking good that you can slap your mama. Y'all, these look absolutely amazing. Can't you just taste it through the phone? Sweet Jesus. Oh my God, these are so good. Wait till we get to the fries. Thank you guys so much for watching. This food turned out absolutely amazing. My husband loved it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and also turn on that notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Greens and Cornbread family, we out.